Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to teach the Math 2A Advanced Supplementary classes. In that, 4 chapters you have to learn. In that, basically, 4 chapters you have to learn. The first one, quadratic expression. Quadratic expression. The weightage of this is 2 marks and 4 marks. 1 2 marks question and 1 4 marks question. And second one is theory of equation. Theory of equation, here also you will be getting 1 2 marks and 1 7 marks. Next, third one, partial fractions. So here, 1 4 mark question. So total here, 6 marks from first chapter and 9 marks from second chapter and 4 marks from third chapter. Then complex numbers again. So here also 1 2 marks question and 1 4 marks question. Total it is 6. Just if you focus on these 4 chapters, so altogether how much you are getting? 25 marks you are getting. Then extra, if you learn one more chapter, it is that is De Moivre's theorem or random variables. So here also you are getting 1 2 mark and 1 7 marks. Total it is 9. Just focus on them. A basic marks will be covered here. After learning this, we will go for the next to be scoring chapters and all. So today first what we do, we start with the first chapter, it is quadratic expression. So in that, first we'll go for quadratic expression. See here, the first, in that only you need to focus on 4 formulas. The first formula is distance between 2 points. First formula is distance between 2 points. When 2 points are given, how to find out the distance? Distance between 2 points. Like 2 points means general 2 points, what will be given? X1, Y1 and X2, Y2, 2 points will be given. So what is the formula for that? Under root of X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square. Based on this formula, the entire chapter will work out. Similarly, second one, Pythagoras theorem. Suppose the question is on right angle triangle. What is right angle triangle concept? For right angle triangle, if the condition is right angle. So here what is the condition? Opposite square, like this is the right angle triangle. If this is the right angle triangle, right angle is here. So take this third vertex is B and 2 vertices are A and B. So what is the concept of right angle triangle? Opposite square plus adjacent square is equals to hypotenuse square. So that can be written as PA square plus PB square is equals to AB square. This is the second important formula of this chapter. Then third, one last formula in this chapter, which we are going to use mostly. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. When three vertices of a triangle is given, how to find out area? Area is denoted by delta, or you can write A is equals to half mod x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Right? So in that, first what you have to do, how to find out the range that we have to find out. Any quadratic equation is given, like see, ax square plus bx plus c, a quadratic expression is given. How to find out the range? Range means it is nothing but minimum and maximum. Like generally we take the roots alpha and beta. So here alpha is called minimum and beta is called the maximum value. How we have to find out when expression is given? What is the difference of expression and equation? If you write this is equals to 0, we call it is equation. If you write without 0, this is called what? Expression. Like less than, yeah, greater than symbol, yeah, whatever you use, like less than 0, yeah, greater than 0 kind of things if you use, we call it is expression. So how to solve such kind of question? Now here we are going to learn. So in today's class, how to expand all this? See the first question. We have to find out the range of the function. See, range of question will be given like this. Range of x square plus x plus 1. Range of x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Range of x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. This we have to find out. So range means what? Basically maximum and minimum value we have to find out. For that, simple procedure. See, the procedure goes like this. Whatever the expression is given, take y is equals to x square plus x plus 1 by x square minus x plus 1. Then cross multiply. So y into x square minus x plus 1 is equals to x square plus x plus 1. Now open up the bracket. Yx square minus yx plus 1. Bring all the terms to the left side. Minus x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. This we have to convert into complete quadratic equation, like in terms of x. If you observe, there are two x square terms, okay? Take x square common. If you take x square common, what do you get? Y here and here minus 1. Similarly, observe the x terms. There are two x terms, okay? You can take minus also common. Both are minus. So if you take minus common, y is there and here plus 1 into x. Next, what is the constant term here? Plus extra, what is there? Y minus 1 is equals to 0. Now, if you observe, shall I say, it is in the form of, which form it is? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. What is a value? Coefficient of x square, that is y minus 1. What is b value? Many people will write just y plus 1, they will write. But you have to see the sign also is important. Minus of y plus 1. And there is another way of writing mistake. They will write minus y plus 1 like this. This minus is for both. So you have to write bracket like this. Minus of y plus 1. And c is equals to what? Y minus 1. Up to here clear, right? So after converting into the standard form, for finding range, we have to apply a condition. What is that condition? If roots are real, how you have to approach this? Now here you have to write, if x is real, when x is real, if x is real, we know delta, that is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. If x is real, delta value is what? B square minus 4ac. B, what is B value? Minus of y plus 1. Minus of y plus 1 whole square minus 4 AC. What is A? Y minus 1. And what is C? Y minus 1. Greater than or equal to 0. Now simplify. Minus whole square. Don't neglect this minus. Minus whole square is plus. Now it is in the form of what? A plus B whole square. Otherwise, write one more step. Y plus 1 whole square minus 4 into y minus 1 into y minus 1, y minus 1 whole square greater than or equal to 0. Now this is a plus b whole square. Come on. Y square plus 1 plus 2y. Keep this minus 4 as it is. Expand with a minus b whole square. So y square plus 1 minus 2y greater than or equal to 0. Then again y square plus 1 plus 2y. Open up. Minus 4y square minus 4 into plus 1 minus 4 minus 4 into minus into minus plus 4 to the 8y greater than or equal to 0. When you are multiplying this carefully, you have to observe the signs. Now y square minus 4y square minus 3y square 2y plus 8y plus 10y 1 minus 4 minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Every time when you are going for the factor, the beginning of the equation, your expression must be positive. Here what we have? Negative we have. So what to do? Take minus common. If you take minus common, this becomes 3y square minus 10y plus 3 greater than or equal to 0. Then immediately send minus to the right side. So 3y square plus minus 10y plus 3. If minus goes to the other side, greater than or equal to become less than or equal to. Now you can observe it is perfect quadratic equation in terms of y. So here what you have to do? You have to find out factors for that. We have to find out factors for that. How do we get the factors here? See here. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 factors are what? We want to get minus 10, right? So what can we write here? 9 1s are 9. Minus 9 minus 1. Minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10. And minus 9 into minus 1 is plus 9. So these are the factors for this equation. Come on. 3y square. This minus 10y can be written as minus 9y minus y plus 3 less than or equal to 0. Take common. 3y is common. Y minus 3. And minus 1 is common. Nothing means you can take 1 common. So minus 1 is common. Y minus 3 less than or equal to 0. Again, both of them, what is common? Y minus 3. And what left? 3y minus 1 less than or equal to 0. So here we are getting two factors. What are they? Y minus 3 and 3y minus 1. So what are y values? One is 3 we are getting, one is 1 by 3 we are getting. Then the main thing, if the expression, like wherever we are finding the factors, if the expression is less than or equal to 0, roots lies between the range, whatever the range is given. Here do not get confused. So one value is 1 by 3 we are getting, the other value is 3. So you can write 1 by 3 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3. From where this 1 by 3 and 3 has come? 1 by 3 is here and 3 is here. Therefore, what can we write here? Y belongs to 1 by 3, the least value, and 3 is the highest value. Like this, you have to find out. So what is the range of the given expression? Once again, let me go for the see. We have to find out range of this following question. So in that, what we have to do? The given question, you have to take y is equals to the given expression. Then we have to do the cross multiply. We cross multiplied and we brought the given equation is in the form of the general form like ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Here compared as a, b, c values. Then immediately what we did for finding range? We applied the formula for x is real. If x is real, what is the formula? B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So this can be written as minus of the substitution. Then after you simplify, you will be getting minus 3y square plus 10y minus 3. Here again a big question. Beginning of the equation must be positive. You can take factors like this also, but people will get confused when this minus sign plus is there. So for that, what you have to do, take minus common. Immediately when you take minus common, so this minus of greater than becomes what? Less than. So from here it is general equation. So 3y square minus 10y plus 3. So factors are 9 1s are 9. Then if you take out two different values we are getting. One is 1 by 3 and one is 3. Therefore, y belongs to what? 1 by 3 comma 3. Sometimes the question will ask, show that the root lies between. So here what you have to write? If you want in terms of word, therefore the expression lies between. Otherwise, the roots of the expression lies between. The expression lies between 1 by 3 comma 3. Like this also we can write. So with this, we have to give the conclusion for this question. In that, two types are there. One is roots lies between. The other one is root does not lie between. So this question is for roots lies between. If roots does not lie between, how you have to go? That is another question. This question has asked for the final March exam. Then in the similar type, we have one more question. Here also the question goes like this. Show that the roots of 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. The roots of 1 by 3x plus 1 plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 does not lie between 1 and 4. See the difference of first question and second question. Does not lie between 1 and 4. Does not lie between 1 and 4. Come on, the same process. Here, three different terms are given. So whatever it is, first what to do? Take the given expression and first simplify, make it as a single term. 1 by 3x plus 1, this is given expression, plus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. So here beginning what you have to take? Given expression. Given expression. Immediately take LCM. LCM for it is 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 is LCM. Because among the denominator, this is the bigger term, so we are taking it. Here 3x plus 1 is there. So only x plus 1 into 1. It is x plus 1. Then come on, second term, x plus 1 is there. So next what we have to take? 3x plus 1 into this, plus 3x plus 1. Then here, entire term is there. Only numerator you have to take. entire term is there. So only numerator, that is -1. So here 1 and 1 getting cancelled. So what left here? X plus 3x is 4x plus 1 by multiply the denominator. So it is 3x square plus 3x plus 1 into x plus 1 into 1. So overall, what do you get here? 4x plus 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Now here immediately let y is equals to the given expression. We got single expression, right? Now take this is y is equals to 4x plus 1 by 3x square plus 4x plus 1. The rest of the procedure is same like previous question. So what we have to do here is cross multiply. If you cross multiply here, yeah, come on. If you cross multiply, so it will be y into 3x square plus 4x plus 1 is equals to what left? 4x plus 1. Now come on, multiply. This becomes 3yx square plus 4yx plus y into 1 is y. Bring these two terms to the left side. So it is minus 4x minus 1 is equals to 0 because nothing is left out there. Now same like final expression. How many x square terms are there? Only 1. So you can write 3y into x square. Next, come on, observe the x term. How many x terms are there? 2 x terms are there. So in this, what is common? 4x common. So what do you get? Y, here nothing means 1. And plus again what here? Constant, y minus 1 is equals to 0. If you can observe, it is in the form of, what form it is? It is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. It is quadratic equation, right? Now, for quadratic equation, what is a value? Coefficient of x square, that is 3y. And what is b value here? Y minus 1. Is it y minus 1? Into 4 also is there. Next, c value plus. And what is c value? C value is what here? Y minus 1. These are A, B, C value. Now go to the condition. What is the condition? If x is real. For all the questions, the procedure is same. If you write up to here, you will be getting 2 marks. For the rest of the thing, you will be getting another 2 marks. So if x is real, what is x value? B square minus 4ac. If x is real, what is x here? Real means b square minus 4ac. That must be what? Greater than or equal to 0. B square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. Now substitute the values. What are the a value, b value, c value? All we have here, right? That we have to substitute. Come on, b value substitute. What is b? 4 into y minus 1 whole square. 4 into y minus 1 whole square. This is b square. So here you have to write bracket like this. B square minus 4. A value how much is there? 3y. And b value how much is there? Y minus 1. What do you get here? Greater than or equal to 0. Then come on, simplify this. 4 square is how much? 16 into y minus 1 whole square minus 4 into, multiply both of them, 3y square minus 3y greater than or equal to 0. 16 into, expand a minus b whole square, y square plus 1 minus 2y. Don't take minus 4 inside. Let it be outside only. Minus 4 into 3y square minus 3y, which is greater than or equal to 0. If you observe, there is a 4 common in both of them. Take 4 common. If you take 4 common, here 4 left. That 4 take inside. 4y square plus 4 minus 8y. Then here anyhow 4 has gone. Just open up with minus. Minus y square plus 3y, which is greater than or equal to 0. 4 is a constant. It goes to the right side. So it becomes 0. So what left here? 4y square minus 3y square is y square. Minus 8y plus 3y is minus 5y plus 4, which is greater than or equal to 0. Now, it is the perfect quadratic equation again, right? So what are the factors? 4 1 the 4. 4 factors are what? 4 1 the 4 only. We want minus 5. So take minus minus. Minus 4 minus 1 is what? Minus 5. So you can write it as y square minus 4y minus y plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. What is common in both of them? So take, if you get anything common, take common of that. So here, y common in the first 2 terms. What do you get? Y minus 4. Next, minus 1 common. What do you get? Y minus 4. Greater than or equal to 0. Again, what is common? Y minus 4. So left out one, y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Here if you observe, 2 values we are getting. One is y value 1, the other value y value is 4. But expression greater than or equal to 0. If it is greater than or equal to 0, what you have to say? One is y less than or equal to 1, or the other value is y greater than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 1 means all values which are less than, like 1, 0 and all negative values. Greater than 4 means from 4, 5, 6, so on all the values. So what do you observe? None of the y lies between 1 and 4. So therefore what you have to write here? Y does not lie between. Otherwise the given expression does not lie between. Does not lie between 1 and 4. So 2 things we learned here. One thing is, if the expression is less than or equal to 0, you have to say root lie between. If the expression is greater than or equal to 0, we have to say the root does not lie between. At the end where we are taking factor, that sign you have to consider here. Because sometimes we may take minus common, sometimes we may not take minus common. So after, before factorizing, whatever the symbol is there, that you have to consider it for the entire thing. So like how you have to solve the range question. So here up to the first part is 2 marks question, and from here till here you will be getting another 2 marks. So total it is 2 plus 2, 4 marks questions will be covered, right? In this you have literally like 4 more questions are there. So by saying this, you have to practice the remaining questions. So it will be easy. So math means you have to regularly you have to practice to get the perfection of that. So with this, the range questions are completed. Next. One more will be there. Solve question number 3. This is the second type of question. Solve under root of 3x by x plus 1 plus under root of x plus 1 by 3x is equals to 2. Solve means we have to find out the value of x. So how we have to solve? So here, solution goes like this. First take the given expression. What is given expression? Under root of 3x by x plus 1 plus under root of x plus 1 by 3x is equals to 2. Here, both are in root. If you observe, 3x by x plus 1 and this is x plus 1 by 3x. Both are reciprocal. So here what you take? Let one value like under root of 3x by x plus 1 is equals to take some constant a. If you take 3x by x plus 1 is a, immediately the other part becomes 1 by a because it is reciprocal. So x plus 1 by 3x becomes 1 by a is equals to 2. Now, take LCM. A is the LCM. Here, what do you get? A square plus 1 is equals to 2. Now, cross multiply. So, after cross multiply, what do you get? A square plus 1 is equals to 2a. Bring them this side. A square minus 2a plus 1 is equals to 0. If you observe, it is perfectly in the form of a minus 1 whole square. Need not factor. Directly you can write a minus 1 whole square. It means what? A minus 1 is equals to 0. So what is A? A is equals to 1. But question is, we are not finding a value. We have to find the value of x. So substitute a value. What is your a? But a is equals to what we supposed a value? This value. What we supposed a value? A is equals to under root of 3x by x plus 1 is equals to 1. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. What do you get? 3x by x plus 1 is equals to 1 square is 1. Again cross multiply. 3x by x plus 1 is equals to 1. So this becomes 1 square, right? 1 square is 1. Now, if you cross multiply, 3x is equals to x plus 1. Bring x this side, 3x minus x is equals to 1. So 2x is equals to 1. So what is x here? 1 by 2. So solve means we have to find out x value. We got x value, right? Therefore, conclusion, solution set. What is our solution set here? 1 by 2, comma. Fine. So like this, you have to find out if such kind of questions are given. Basically, math 2A is very easy. Like if you know the basic knowledge, you can easily score 40 plus marks without any preparation. But if you do the preparation, easily you can score 70 plus marks in this paper. So like this, you have to solve the question. Next. Another kind of question is there. Suppose if question asked like this, solve. If question asked in like this form, 2x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. Minus x cube minus 11x square plus x plus 2 is equals to 0. So if a question is like this, how we have to solve? Here also solve. Solve means x value. Depends on the x power, that many values we have to get. Here what is x power? X power is 4. So if we solve, how many roots we will be getting? 4 roots we will be getting. It is 4th degree equation. But we don't know how to factorize the 4th degree equation. So for that, we have a procedure to do. How? Like see, whenever you have a 4th degree equation, actually it is called reciprocal equation. Okay. But in this chapter, we don't need the topic reciprocal equation. Directly, whenever you have a 4th degree equation, so divide the entire equation. Solution goes like this. Divide both the sides by x square. Divide both the sides by x square. Come on, individually divide. 2x power 4 by x square plus x cube by x square minus 11x square by x square plus x by x square plus 2 by x square is equals to 0. So come on, what are the cancellation? Here x square cancel, Here also x square cancel. Here both x squares cancel. Here 1x cancel. So what left? So what left here? 2x square plus x minus 11 plus here numerator nothing means 1. Denominator 1x left plus 2 by x square is equals to 0. Now observe. These two are x square terms and these two are x terms. Take 2 common and put them together. So if you take 2 common, here what left? X square, and here what left? 1 by x square. This is over. Next, in the x terms, is there anything common? No. So plus, put them together. X plus 1 by x. Next, what is there? Constant. Minus 11 is equals to 0. Here, x square is fine, but 1 by x square is there. How you have to simplify such kind of question? So you have to go for the substitution again. Here minimum part is what? X plus 1 by x. So what is the substitution? Let x plus 1 by x is equals to some constant, say a or t, it's up to you, whatever the constant you can take. First part, what we have? X square plus 1 by x square. What to be replaced this value? Squaring on both sides. If you squaring on both sides, this becomes what? X plus 1 by x whole square is equals to a square. But it is not exactly first part, right? More you have to simplify. Expand this as a plus b whole square. Come on, expand this as a plus b whole square. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equals to what is there? A square. X and x getting cancelled. So what left here? X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 is equals to a square. X square plus 1 by x square is equals to a square minus 2. This is the substitution for the first part. In the exam, you need not do this whole part. Just you remember, when you take x plus 1 by x is a, x square plus 1 by x square value, what can be replaced? You can replace it by a square minus 2. Simply you can replace. Okay. Now, go to the question and substitute. Take this equation is 1. Implies, 1 implies. Come on. 2 into x square plus 1 by x square means a square minus 2 plus x plus 1 by x means a minus 11 is equals to 0. Open up the bracket. 2a square minus 4 plus a minus 11 is equals to 0. So come on. 2a square plus a minus 15 is equals to 0. Again a quadratic equation. So what to do? 2 into minus 15 minus 30. We want to get what here? 1. What are the factors? 6 5s are. 6 minus 5 is 1. So come on. 2a square plus 6a minus 5a minus 15 is equals to 0. Take 2a common. If you do calculation perfectly, you will get easy answer. If you take 2a common, what do you get here? A plus 3. Take minus 5 common. What do you get here? A plus 3 is equals to 0. Then again what? A plus 3 is there. 2a minus 5 is there. A plus 3 into 2a minus 5 is equals to 0. 2 terms are there. Take both the terms individually. A plus 3 is equals to 0. 2a minus 5 is equals to 0. So from here, a is equals to minus 3. From here, 2a is equals to 5. So a is equals to what? 5 by 3. Do we want a value? Solve means we have to find out x value. So we got a values. Case 1. What is case 1? If A is equals to minus 3, go to your A value. A we supposed as what? X plus 1 by x is equal to minus 3. Take LCM. LCM is x. So x square plus 1 is equals to minus 3x. Cross multiply. X square plus 1. Come on, bring this side. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. X square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Do we get factors here? No, because 1 into 1, 1. We want 3 here. We are not getting any factors. So for that, what we have to do? You have to go for the formula. When you do not get factors, what is the formula for finding x value? We have x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So in this, what is a value? A is equals to 1. B is equals to 3. And C is equals to 1. Substitute these values here. Minus 3 plus or minus under root 3 square minus 4ac. 4, A value is 1, C value also 1 by 2a. 2 into a is 1 again. Come on. Minus 3 plus or minus under root of 9 minus 4 by 2. So x is equals to what are you getting? Minus 3 plus or minus under root 5 by 2. So here, if you take plus value, one root. If you take minus value, another root. So we got 2 roots, but more 2 we want. This is case 1. Next, what is there? Case 2. What is case 2? What is your another value of a? If a is equals to, what do we get? A is equals to 5 by 3. But we know what is a? X plus 1 by x is equals to 5 by 3. Again, take LCM and simplify. Yeah, left side LCM is x square plus 1 is equals to 5 by 3. Cross multiply 3x square plus 3 is equals to 5x. Bring 5x this side. 3x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. 3 3 is a 9. Again, we are not getting factors. So again, what to do? Same formula you have to apply. Here a is equals to 3, b is equals to minus 5, and c is equals to 3. So what is the formula? X is equals to, you need not write again, already formula is there. Just substitute the values. Minus b, minus of minus 5, plus or minus under root of, carefully when you are substituting the values, don't forget to put the minus and plus properly. Minus 4ac, 4 into 3 into 3 by 2a, 2 into 3. So come on, 5 plus or minus under root of 5 square is 25 minus, here what are you getting? 4 3 is the 12, 12 3 is the 36 by 6. Here one interesting thing you have to observe, inside the root you are getting negative. So here 5 plus or minus under root of minus 11 divided by 6. Minus means inside the root it is negative, means it is imaginary, right? How to remove this minus? We have a I square. Whenever you have negative sign, you can replace it by what? I square. I square is equals to minus 1. By applying I square is equals to minus 1, what do you get here? X is equals to 5 plus or minus under root of minus 1 means I square into 11 by 6. So 5 plus or minus under root of I square is I root 11 by 6. Here again, if you take plus one value, if you take minus another value. Total how many values we got? We got total 4 values. Therefore, solution set. At the end, you have to write solution set. What are the first values? 3 plus or minus root 5. What do you get? What are the before values? Minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2. And now the next value that you have to add here. See, minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 2, comma, 5 plus or minus I root 11 by 6. So like this, you have to complete the question. Yeah, in the same way, you have one more type of question here. So, how many totally we learned? One is, how many types of questions we learn here? The first one is, if expression is given, how to find out the range? In that range, two types we learned. What are they? The expression is less than or equal to 0 and the expression is greater than or equal to 0. If the expression, the final expression, if you get less than or greater than or equal to 0, what is the condition here? The range lies within the values, whatever the roots are given. If the expression is greater than or equal to 0 in the second one, so here what we have to write? If the expression is greater than or equal to 0, here you have to say the roots does not lie between. This is the main question, whatever generally the asking question for board exam. If this question is missed, this one will become this kind of question. The same terms will be there. One is the reciprocal to the other. If such kind of questions are there, you have to take one term is equals to a constant, immediately substitute that value in the given expression, and you have to go on simplify. But in between, you will be getting a value. Do not stop here. A is not our question. So we have to find the solution for x. Replace a value, you will be getting the root of that. So this is one type of question. Then another type will be like fourth degree equation will be there. We know how to solve the quadratic equation. We know how to solve cubic equation. But fourth degree equation, we did not learn. So for that, there is a process to do. So whatever the fourth degree equation is there, you have to divide the entire part by x square and simplify it. Here also again the process by taking some term is equals to constant. With that you will be getting 4 different values. So like that you have to solve such kind of question. These 3 types are there. Generally you may expect in the final exam. If these all will be missed, one more last question is there. That also you can go for the practice. This is also simple. The question goes like this. Solve four x to the power minus 1. Solve 4 power x minus 1 minus 3 into 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 0. Plus 2 is equals to 0. If such kind of question is there, how to solve? Previous questions means directly we can see by taking some term is equals to a constant, then we can proceed. Here also you have to think. Here this is 2 to the power x minus 1 is there. And here 4 to the power x minus 1 is there. You can convert 4 power. Okay. Solution goes like this. Given equation. Different ways you can do. Given equation. 4. Shall I write 2 square? Whole to the power what is there? X minus 1. Minus 3 into 2 to the power x minus 1. Plus 2 is equals to 0. In lower classes, we learned a to the power m whole to the power n. can be written as what? A to the power m whole to the power n can be written as a to the power mn. So in the same way, or you can write a to the power n whole to the power m also. So I am converting these two. A 2 square power x minus 1. I would like to write 2 power x minus 1 whole square minus 3 into 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2 is equals to 0. Now you can see these two terms are same, right? 2 power x minus 1 and 2 power x minus 1 is same. So immediately what can we write? Let 2 power x minus 1 is equal to some constant. What is that constant? Let 2 power x minus 1 is equals to, take some constant a. Come on, what do you get here? A square, because inner part is a square minus 3a plus 2 is equals to 0. Fine. Again, quadratic equation, right? Quadratic equation, what are the factors? Two factors we want. 2 ones are 2. And minus 2 minus 1 is what? Minus 3. So directly substitute here. A square minus 2a minus a plus 2 is equals to 0. Take a common, a minus 2. Take minus 1 common, a minus 2 is equals to 0. So again, what are you getting? A minus 2 into a minus 1 is equals to 0. So come on, a minus 2 is equals to 0. A minus 1 is equals to 0. So a is equals to 2. A is equals to 1. We got two a values, but we don't want a. We want x values. Go to case 1. Case 1. What is case 1? If a is equals to 2. If a is equals to 2, what is our a? 2 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 2. Observe the logic. Here both bases are same. So we can equate the powers, right? So x minus 1 is equals to 1. So what is one value of x? X is equals to 2. Next, case 2. Case 2. What is case 2? If a is equals to 1, a is what? 2 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 1. Are the bases equal here? No. So what to do? You have to think to convert into the same base. So 2 power x minus 1 is equal to, shall I write 2 power 0? Because anything to the power of 0 is 1. Anything what you have to take here, whatever the other side is there. Other side 2 power is there. So here also I am taking 2 power 0 is equals to 1. Now apply the same logic. Bases are equal, powers equated. X minus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to what? 1. What is solution set? One value of x is 1 and the other value of x is 2. Clear? So like this, such kind of questions will be solved. So basically we learned totally 5 kinds of solution in this quadratic expression. Any kind of question you can expect for the board exam. So these are the 4 marks question. So in the next class, I will tell you how to solve the 2 marks question. That is also basically depends on the basic formulas. You have to solve it. So in the next class, we will be learning the 2 marks question. Thank you.